Hi there, welcome back. Hey, this morning we've got a 15-minute morning flow for you. This has been requested by my beautiful daughter, Robin. Now I'm here in New Zealand and she is in Wales. And she's like, Mum, can you do some more 15-minute morning flows? So here's coming at you, Robin Law. Good morning. Take a big lengthened stretch all the way up. Take a nice deep breath in, Tadasana to start with. Feel the floor through your feet. Lifting up, looking up, reaching, and then sweep the arms all the way back. Sink in through the legs and rise up. Coming all the way up. And do two more of those. Sweep and lift. Take some beautiful long breaths in and rise. Lifting up. Good. Let's take some morning breaths. So we exhale down, inhale, rise. Exhale down, inhale, rise. Really flick some energy out through those fingers. Inhale, rise. Two more. If you can, rise gently up to the toes, the balls of the feet. Roll. And lift. Ooh. Okay. Sweeping gently over to the side. Side bend. And straighten. And side bend. And straighten, and then lengthen over, drop the bottom arm, wrap it round, sweep it back up and over, drop the bottom arm, and up, over, sweep. One more. So let's bring some length into the spine, some lateral flexion, folding in, take a forward fold, nod and shake the head. Sweeping the arms back and then rising up to chair. Folding forward, rising gently up to chair. Fold and up to chair. One more, fold, rising up. Good. Fold all the way down and then walk your hands out to the front of your mat, placing your feet back. Push back into your down dog. Float forward. And back into down dog. Stretch out through the hips. Forward. And back into your downward facing dog. Walk your feet gently in towards the front. Rolling all the way up. Come up nice and gently. Lift the head last. Stand on your right, lift your left. Hold underneath your knee and circle your ankle, mobilizing the ankles. And the other way. Coming back, step back into your lunge, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Straighten your front leg. Exhale in, inhale, lift. And land. Pushing back. Straighten out. One more. Rise. And land. Stepping back into your down dog. Float forward. Back into down dog. Forward. Breathe with it and roll through. Walking yourself into the front. Let's come on in. Rolling all the way up nice and gently. Stack your spine. Stand on your left, lift your right, hold. Sit tall in your body. Circle your ankles 3 or 4 times, one direction and then the other. Eye gaze fixed. And then we're sweeping back. Drop into your lunge. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. And then straighten out. Walk the hands back if it feels better. Dropping in, lifting up. And land. Making sure those feet are kind of a hip width position so you've got good balance here this morning. Lifting up. And landing. And straighten. Dropping in, stepping back, downward facing dog. Sweeping down, exhale, lower. Roll through the shoulders. Take the hands out and lift. And lower. Lift, look round to the right side. And lower. And up. Yawning is permitted. If you need to yawn through these moves, you can. Push back to your child's pose. Come gently up through your cat stretch, push up into the shoulders, and then through into cow, and then up to cat, and then into cow, and one more, up, and release. Good, stepping those feet back behind you. Let's push back into your downward facing dog. Come through this vinyasa flow, so we'll float forward, knees down if you need it, all the way down, finding your cobra or your up dog, releasing, landing, and pushing up. Nice. Let's step the right leg through, nice and wide. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread through. One more. Inhale, lift. And exhale, thread through. Land the hand. Push the leg back. Coming in, drop through. And we push the arms forward, the legs lift, sweeping all the way back. Land the hands, pushing up. Downward facing dog. Ooh. Let's step the left leg through. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread. Land the hands, pushing back. Downward facing dog. Let's float through here. Drop. Straight into that strong locust pose. We sweep the arms around, land the hands, pushing up, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left, right leg. Knee to nose, curling in. Knee to elbow, right elbow. And then land in your lunge, holding here. Repeat, lifting up and then land. Stepping back, coming through. Use that back, those back muscles, the core muscles lift. Sweep, land, push. Left leg, knee to nose, squeeze. Pushing back. Knee to elbow. Pushing back and then step outside. Reaching up and release. Stepping back. Good. Walking your feet gently into your hands. Coming up. Let's roll all the way up. And we're going to find a dancer's pose. Come hands through prayer. Stand on your right side. Lift your left, holding on to that right foot, left foot. Extend. Hold. 2, 3. Release. Warrior 3. And then we'll land, dropping in. Front hand comes down, circle back, mobilize. 2 circles this way. Good. And release the hand down, and 2 circles with the other arm. Nice. Landing in. Come reverse out of that. So tip tap your toe in. Come through aeroplane. Possibly warrior 3. Sweeping that hand back, holding on. Find your dancer. Hold. Challenges coming towards the floor. Reaching down. Picking something up off the floor. And rise. Let's come to the other side. Lift, hold, 2, 3, extend away, ground into that standing leg, reach the arms out. Arms are here for a little bit easier. Here, then we drop in, circling back into your lunge. Circle back, releasing down, circle back, other hand. Open that shoulder area, squeeze through the core, and we lift. Come back out in reverse, land into your foot, coming in, prepare your warrior 3. So you've got this wide arm line, all forward, hold. And then reaching back, find your dancer, start where you, finish where you started. Option. Picking up Maybe your clothes from your bedroom floor. What have you got down there? Lifting up and releasing. Good, take your fold. Rolling down, just ease out. Come into a wider foot line here. Let it go. Let's roll up to a halfway lift. And from here, we're going to drop all the way in. We'll find a rotation. So stepping back with your right leg, holding here. You're going to rotate gently. Sweeping back, landing in, drop your back heel, warrior two, rotate up, warrior two, sun warrior. Land. Come through that one again. Drop, rotate through, sweep into center, drop your back heel, anchor in, warrior two, into sun warrior. Beautiful, release, stepping back. Come through your vinyasa flow. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Right leg steps forward. Finding your twist. Now you can leave your hand down here and just rotate back, or take the hand off. Landing your hands, opening up, warrior two, into your sun warrior. Releasing round. Turn the heel, find your rotation, land, heels in, warrior two, sun warrior. Beautiful. Stay in your wide squat position here, folding in, wide leg forward fold. Now walk yourself to your front foot, and then release them. Gently walk yourself into your back foot. And front foot, and your back foot. Nice. Turning in, let's go into, turn the heels in slightly, toes in slightly, dropping into your squat, lifting up, reaching through, straightening up, dropping in, nice and opening in the hips, and reaching through. Sink into those hips, drop the backs of the hands in together and drop your head through your arms like you're diving. And then open up. One more fold. And open. Good. Turn to the front. Lift that right leg nice and high and then sweep through into swan. And leaning in, dropping, pushing up, sweep the arm back, find quad stretch, open, release, push, that comes nice and high, and gently coming over, 2, 3, flip it through, and land, release, left leg up high, sweeping in, find your swan, rising up, reaching back, squeeze, and releasing, pushing up, pivot your foot, land, lift the hips high, reach, look up, and land. Sinking back, finding child's pose, all the way back. Slide your right hand under. Easing out, and the left. Coming into the front of your mat. Take a seat. You're going to roll down gently. Sink all the way down. Finding bridge, lifting up here. Ease off through the lower back, coming all the way down. Knees tucked to chest, squeezing in. And open. Come into your spinal twist. Extend your top leg if you can. Sweeping through, rouse back to center, over to the other side. Extending out. Ease off through that lower back. Rising up. Roll back up through bridge. Back to the balls of the feet. Rolling all the way down, almost there. Tucking your knees to your chest. And then roll all the way up. Take a breath in. Now you can take that one all the way through once, twice, or in reverse. Thank you for joining me. Good morning. Om Namaste. Please subscribe. Ding dong ding, do all that stuff. Om Namaste.